Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the dock background from your iPhone's home screen. Now, just a few weeks back, I shared with you guys a video on how to remove the dock background. However, you did have to use light mode on your iPhone instead of dark mode. So the number one request from that video was, how can I achieve this while still using dark mode? So today I wanted to share with you guys how to remove the dock background from your iPhone while using dark mode. If you love to customize your iPhone, this is going to be one of those things that you're going to want to add when you go to customize your home screen. So let me show you how to remove the dock background on your iPhone this time around while using dark mode. So if you would like to achieve this exact look on your iPhone, I'm going to show you a step-by-step on how to do so, but let me go ahead and show you how to remove the dock background. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is head on over to the links in the description down below. Make sure you click the link and it will open in Safari, so make sure you open the link in Safari, and then you want to go ahead and download this wallpaper that you see here by long pressing on the actual image. So make sure you long press and then save it as a photo, just like so. Obviously, next you want to go into the Photos application and go ahead and apply the wallpaper that we just downloaded by clicking on Share and applying as a wallpaper as you normally would. However, when you click on the Add option right here, you want to go under the Customize Home Screen options, and then you want to make sure that you remove the blur on the background just like so, and then click Done. Now we're ready to go, and you see right there that we no longer have the dock background. However, we can take this a step further and further customize this device by long pressing on the home screen here. Go under Customize, and then right here what you're going to want to do is go ahead and select the tinted option, and then right here on the left you want to go ahead and make sure that you remove the highlights just like so, and now you have the exact same look. So how do you enable or disable the dock just like I did at the beginning of the video? Well, what you're going to want to do, if you have the action button on your iPhone, you want to head on over into the action button. You want to go into the action button settings here, and then you want to select the accessibility options, and under accessibilities you select the option to reduce transparency. So make sure you go ahead and click on reduce transparency. Action button is assigned to that accessibility feature, and now you can go ahead and apply and remove the dock background on your iPhone by long pressing on the action button from the home screen of your device. And again, this is a very simple way to customize the home screen of your device, but it gives your device a nice clean look. And if you like to customize your iPhone, this is how to remove the dock background while using dark mode on your device on the latest iOS 18 update. Let me know what you think about this in those comments down below. Thank you for watching this super quick fun video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.